In this video, I would like to talk with you about landing pages. This is a new tool by Mailchimp, and you can use this tool in order to create, for instance, squeeze pages or sign-up pages or landing pages. So we're going to click right now on try it out, and then we're going to start creating, I think we're going to do, let's say, a product page. Now, there's on one hand, we have a sign-up page and we have a product page. On a product page, you can sell products, as it obviously, says. And a sign-up page is for if you want to collect email addresses. Actually, I think it makes more sense if we go with a sign-up page. So we're going to create a sign-up page on which people can give us their email address. If you sell any kind of product, whether an ebook or some kind of video course or whatever, you can create a product page with Mailchimp right here. It's completely for free. You don't have to pay anything. So let's click on sign up page and let's call this landing page perhaps sign up page 1. Sign up page number 1. And now we can create a list, and we're going to take example list, and everyone who now signs up via the sign up page will automatically be added to this example list. So now we click on begin, and now we can start creating our own sign up page. So it's basically the same design as we just had when we created the newsletter. It now again says the logo up here, so we can upload a logo. Let's take the Course Factory logo right here again, and let's click on insert, and now it will appear at the top right here again. And now we can, for instance, say right here, sign up for our newsletter today. And then down below, we could, for instance, write, every day we publish new courses. Sign up for our newsletter to receive all of them for free. All right, and that's basically it. You can, of course, also write a little bit more in order to make it look better, but I think we are pretty good with that right now. And then down below, we have this little script. We can ask them, for instance, for the email address, for the first name, for the last name, for their address and their phone number. I always like to ask for email address, first name and last name. So basically, the sign-up form is then going to look like that. Let's actually preview this. It's basically going to look like that. So when people see the sign-up page, it's just going to say, sign up for our newsletter today. Every day we publish new courses. Sign up for our newsletter to receive all of them for free. And then email address, actually it should say email address and last name. All right, we just have to click on save and close. And now let's preview this again. And now it should say also, first name and last name. So this is basically how it's going to look like on the desktop. This is how it's going to look like on mobile. I think pretty good, quite responsive. And now let's just click on save and continue. And now we are already done. We now just have to add a page title and URL. So let's add a page title and URL. Let's call this one just sign up page number 1. And let's click on save. And this is now the URL. And then down below, yes, we have added a list. So all new contacts, all new email addresses will be then added to this list right here. And also we added some content. So I think we did a good job. And now we just click on publish. And then afterwards, when we click on publish, it will go online. So now when we click on this link right here, it will bring us directly to this sign up page. So this sign up page is now online. You can take this link, share it with everyone you want, and these people can then sign up to your newsletter.